No foam cannon is needed with this pressure washer. It's a Stanley Black & Decker. Only thing you need is a container with some water in it. And it comes with this hose. So the only thing you do is take that hose and put it over this fitting right here. And then you take some Dawn or whatever detergent, whatever you want to use to wash your vehicle with, and you mix it in your container. And you can use whatever you want. I put about 2 to 4 ounces. Maybe it looked like I put a little bit more. But make sure you stir it up. You see I didn't. But make sure you stir it up, and then you stick your part with the filter on it. Stick it inside your container. Once you stick it inside your container, it's ready. But make sure you got the correct fitting on there. You want to use the black fitting, which is for the foam, spray foam. So I'm gonna take one of the high pressure fittings I got off on there already. I'm gonna take it off and I'm gonna replace it with this black foam spray fitting. And just make sure you push this back and click it in. Make sure it clicks in, because you don't want it to come off and damage your vehicle. And you want to make sure your sprayer is on the max fitting spraying. So we're going to start spraying the vehicle, and watch the container. You're going to see the level start going down. So what it's doing is suctioning it through the pressure hose. You're gonna notice when I get to the bottom, it's gonna start getting more soapy. And as I said before, I didn't mix it correctly, didn't stir it up. As you can see, the suds is coming out. Okay, so once you finish putting the foam on your vehicle, you want to take the black fitting off and replace it with one of your high pressure. Don't get the highest pressure. I usually use a green or yellow. And make sure you take that out the bucket and you just rinse it off. And that's really all to it with the Stanley Black & Decker pressure washer. This is a very good pressure washer. So you don't need no foam cannon or foam gun. Only thing you need is a bucket of water, some detergent, and the fitting with the hose on it. And that's all to it. If this video helped, subscribe to my channel and have a great day.